taking off.
God. Jesus.
Gotta duck my head now.
Oh my God, it's so low. It's so low.
Here we go.
I think I just hurt myself trying to steer this boat.
Shonda's driving us here.
Do not say anything about women drivers. It's impossible to steer. Impossible.
Also, your back stays really warm on the seat.
Yeah, I had to
It
sit
does
up.
seem-
I had to sit up. I gotta get my sunglasses out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait, we're gonna steer into the wall. Okay, okay. Oh my God. Jesus.
Oh man, we're wrecking it.
I can't turn it. It is not turning. I shit you not.
Oh!
Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Oh. Oh my God, Wes.
Oh, interesting. So I see underneath here, it's kind of like a weird rope system.
That was exhausting. I'm
Very
exhausted. Oh my God.
I don't think it works very well from how I looked at it, engineering wise. It's very old school. Cool though. Oh my gosh, Jay's coming up on us. Oh no.
I'm not even kidding you. I cannot. You can't.
There's a little rope and the rope doesn't work. See?
These bridges are so low.
I know. Oh man, they're coming up on us quick. Keep hands and boat.
Oh my God. This thing does not steer. It does not steer. It's awful.
What's crazy is I think these used to be walkways, some of them. Oh, we're about to get past.
I can't do anything. Maybe they can push us along.
We're getting pushed along.
I'm gonna try. Oh my God, my head.
I think we're going straight into it.
I can't do it.
I think it won't turn any sharper. That's
Oh my
as sharp
God,
as the
terrible. My boat doesn't steer.
Oh, they beat us.
They're steered though.
They're pros.
Clearly. This boat's going wherever the hell it wants to. It's not, I have no control over it whatsoever. It is like very legitimately just going wherever it wants. Well, I'm exhausted.
DJ coming in.